Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Mariana, a nail educator, and I share here lots of tips and tricks, and I inspire nail technicians, and at the same time I help them to create long-lasting nails. As usual, I'm starting with the nail prep, pushing back the cuticle, and I'm preparing the nail plate. Buffing just a little bit just to remove the shiny part. The nail prep, I will say, is a foundation for a long-lasting nail. So it's super important to do this step properly. This client is having oily skin, and for this reason I have added here baby powder, because baby powder is absorbing the moisture and is helping me to do a dry, clean manicure faster, and I will be able to cut the cuticle easier and more clean. Let me know in the comments what's your thoughts about using a baby powder on a manicure technique. Once again, I use the baby powder only on oily hands. This is a lifesaver for a nail technician, and is really speeding up the manicure process on some clients. Until I trim the cuticle, please support this video with the thumbs up, leave a comment below. You may also have questions regarding to manicure, and I will try my best to record more videos for you. Now we start with product application. So step number 1, we have primer, which is air dry. Then I'm applying a rubber base and I cure in a lamp for 30 seconds. And I will give a nail strengthening using a builder gel on these nails. Using the builder gel, we create extra strength on these nails, which means they will last longer. But keep in mind, you should not apply the builder gel on all nails. We apply on those weak nails, and also it's important to have a thin layer. This is a simple nail art design, so Christmas tree with couple ornaments, but will give this festive vibes for my client. Thank you so much for watching it. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming tutorial. Wishing you all a Merry Christmas and Happy Holiday. Until next time, keep creating beautiful nails.